It is a scientific fact that solar systems will wreak worldwide chaos, with solar storms generated by a hot outburst from the blazing sun, knocking out national power grids by the increased average temperatures, when the global positioning systems overheating Earth have begun, causing widespread blackouts that will plunge the steam-heated Earth into darkness, leading to potentially deadly knock-on economic effects, like hydroelectric dams holding back millions of gallons of water, leaving greater radiant flooding than heating risk and ice thawing wrecks. As the sun again reaches its peak, placing the scalding planet at risk, with a big magnetic storm that can permeate the spark crust of the Earth, driving smoldering electric currents through aluminum and copper, as national blackouts destroy electricity that flames no rebirth. Many do not believe in these significant global warming effects, even though the data has found from spacecraft carrying equipment proving magnetic storms are caused by gases and coronal mass injections, as atmospheric condition is changed by another warming shipment. And although NASA has proved global warming and incoming space weather by measuring the speed of solar flares with atmospheric density, still many claim that global warming is a scientific myth and hoax. But most who claim that are not scientists who could measure intensity. Most stable countries are not willing to refine thermoelectric plants using nuclear or fossil fuel to heat water for money exchange, charging astronomical fees for water and electricity use, causing increasing air temperatures associated with climate change. While scientifically the average temperatures have climbed to record heats, as the melting Arctic is feeling the global warming effects the most, while some places like the North Pole have risen to twice the global average, while rising temperatures melt the ice caps of Alaska and burn the coast. For it is no myth that the Arctic ice is rapidly disappearing, as polar bears and indigenous cultures suffer from sea and ice loss, while the natural glacier and the mountain snows are rapidly melting, as coral reefs suffer the worst bleaching, when all nature nature loses its gloss. Global warming means that more than 1 million known species face extinction from a heat-changing ecosystem and a disappearing habitat, while altering the natural circulation system of the ocean, unlocking methane in permafrost left by naive humans to attack. First, scientists have proved the environmental controversial points that is inevitable in global warming scientific research. But the evidence for human-induced climate change is not accepted by those who want to burn fossil fuels and the Republican Party Church, as ozone layer is depleting and greenhouse emission repeating. And after proving most heat was human-caused, one would think humans would grieve. But many do not care that Mother Earth is sick from careless human beings. For maybe it will take all species and Earth to die before some